Welcome, students. Welcome to Connecting Mathematics and Science class. Today, we shall study about types of chemical reactions. So, in the last class, you studied about how to balance the equation. What is the equation? How to balance the equation? You studied in the previous class. Today, in the part 2, we shall study about types of chemical reactions. Students, you are going to study mainly here 4 types of chemical reactions. So let us study one by one. First one, combination reaction. Combination reaction. So it is also called chemical combination. Combination reaction, chemical combination. So students, what is meant by combination reaction? So we shall define with the help of example. First, let me give example. With the help of example, so I will define. See here, let us take a simple example. Simple example: carbon plus oxygen. So it is carbon dioxide. So carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide. Students, you already studied the balancing the equations in the previous class. So let me verify whether the equation is balanced or not first. Carbon 1 atom, carbon 1 atom, oxygen 2 atoms, oxygen 2 atoms. Now it is balanced and simple equation. And students, you are observing that product is a single product, but here 2 reactants. Two reactants, one product. 2 reactants and 1 product. So it is what? Combination reaction. So it is a chemical combination or combination reaction. Means how to define the reaction? Combination reaction is a chemical reaction in which 2 or more reactants chemically combine to form single product. Students, understood? 2 or more reactants. 2 or more reactants chemically combine to form a single product. So product is single. So it is called chemical combination or combination reaction. Students, let us take one more example. Burning of magnesium in the presence of air. Magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon in the presence of air. Mg plus O2. So it is MgO. Mg plus O2 is magnesium oxide. Magnesium is burned in the presence of air. So students, if it is given like this, burns in the presence of air, you must take oxygen. Without oxygen, there is no combustion. For burning, oxygen is essential. So Mg plus O2. So it is magnesium oxide. Now students, let us balance the equation. So how many atoms of oxygen here? Okay, good, very good. Oxygen 2, but here single, yes. single oxygen, here two oxygen atoms, and so balance oxygen 2. So here also make it balancing oxygen 2, 2 oxygen. Now Mg 2 Mg and here 1 Mg, make it 2. 2 Mg, 2 Mg, 2O2. Now it is balancing. So it is called balanced chemical equation. Students, see here, 2 reactants, 2 Mg plus O2, 2 reactants, but product is single. Product is single. So that is why it is also the combination reaction or chemical combination. Chemical combination or combination reaction, 2 reactants, single product. Now, so that is why, remember if there is only one product, if there is only one product is present, it is combination reaction. So here plus is there, in between reactants plus is there, so 2 reactants. In between reactants plus is there, so 2 reactants. But here only single product. So this one we can call combination reaction. Yes, students, let us study second type of chemical reaction. So second type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, or it is called chemical decomposition. Decomposition reaction or chemical decomposition. So here students, in this opposite, here what we taken single product. Opposite, single reactant, 2 or more products. Single reactant, 2 or more products. If for example, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, on heating it forms CaO plus CO2. So calcium carbonate on heat, so it forms calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Now see here students, single reactant CaCO3 is a single reactant but products 2. So it is also decomposition reaction. So single reactant decomposes into 2 or more products. So what is chemical decomposition? So what is the chemical decomposition? Chemical decomposition or decomposition reaction. The chemical reaction, decomposition reaction is a chemical reaction in which single reactant decomposes into 2 or more products. Understood? Very simple. Single reactant decomposes into 2 or more products. So it is called decomposition reaction. So opposite. So here product is single, but here reactant is single. See students, product single, but here reactant single. So if there is a single reactant, 2 or more products, then it is decomposition reaction. Let us take one more example. FeSO4. What happens? FeSO4 on heating. On heating. Yes. Ferrous sulfate, iron sulfate, or ferrous sulfate. FeSO4. What happens on heating? It forms Fe2O3, iron oxide. Heating iron sulfate forms iron oxide Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. Now students here FeSO4 on heating it forms Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. Yes. Now students here reactant is single. Products see here 3. Okay. Whatever the number of products, but reactant is single. So it is decomposition reaction. Students, whether it is a balance or not, please verify. Whether it is balance or not, please verify. Yes. Shweta. Yes. Very good. It is not balanced because here Fe 2 atoms are there. Fe 2 atoms, but here Fe 1 atom. Fe 2 atoms, but here Fe 1 atom. So make it 2. 2 Fe. Balanced? Okay. Sulfur 2s. See here 2s. Here 1s. 2s. Balanced. Okay. 2 4s are 8 oxygen. Here 2 4s are 8 oxygen. Here 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8 oxygen. So it is balanced. So it is called decomposition reaction. Okay, students, it is a combination reaction. The second one is decomposition reaction. Now come to the third reaction, that is displacement reaction, or it is called chemical displacement. Displacement reaction or chemical displacement. So it is the third type of a reaction. Third type, that is displacement reaction, or it is also called chemical displacement. So displacement reaction, it is also called chemical displacement. Okay students, let us study about the examples. After that we shall define the reaction. Yes, it displacement. See here, copper sulfate plus iron. Copper sulfate CuSO4 plus iron is Fe. So it forms FeSO4 plus copper FeSO4 plus copper. So what do you understand about this reaction? Copper sulfate is a compound. In this compound, copper is displaced by iron. In place of copper, here we mentioned iron. In place of copper. Why? Because iron is more reactive than copper. So that is why it can displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So iron is more reactive. Than copper. That is why iron can displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So here we written plus Cu. So this is the displacement reaction. It means element of one element of a compound is displaced by another element. If a one element of a compound is displaced by another element, so then it is called displacement reaction. Students, it is a displacement reaction. Cu is displaced by Fe. Cu displaced by Fe. So it forms FeSO4 plus Cu. So it is called displacement reaction. Okay, students? Yes. Now, let us take one more example. Copper plus silver nitrate. Copper plus silver nitrate. So here silver nitrate is a compound. In this, silver is displaced by copper. In place of silver, so you have to write copper because silver is displaced by copper. So Cu in NO3. Cu NO3. Students, CuNO3 is not a compound. If you write CuNO3, it is wrong. CuNO3 twice is a compound. Copper nitrate. Why? Here only NO3. Because valency, it is depending on valency. You already studied about valency in 9th standard. In 9th standard, you studied about valency. So, valency of silver is 1. That is what AgNO3. Valency of copper is 2. Valency of copper is 2. That is what it is a CuNO3 twice. Copper nitrate. CuNO3 twice. That valency of copper is 2. Plus Ag, silver plus Ag. Now it is not balanced reaction. So NO3 how many times? NO3 2 times. Here 2 times. 2 times NO3. NO3 twice. 2 times. Plus Ag. 2 Ag. 2 Ag. Copper single. Copper single. So it is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. So one element is displaced by what? Another element. One element of a compound is displaced by another element. So it is called displacement reaction. Okay? Yes. Let us study double displacement. If, for example, the general form of displacement reaction AB plus C. See here, AB plus C, general form. So B is displaced by C. In place of B, AC plus C. So it is general form. So here Fe represents C. Fe C. Cu A. Cu B. SO4 A. So this is Cu separated B. AC plus C. So AB plus C. AC plus C. So this is general form of displacement reaction. Now double displacement reaction, or it is called chemical double displacement, students. Yes, double displacement reaction. Fourth one, double displacement reaction. It is also called chemical double displacement. Chemical double displacement. Yes. This is chemical double displacement. Okay. Students, in this, how the mutual exchange of the ions of reactants take place. Exchange of ions of reactant. Mutual exchange. General form is AB plus C. So there is an exchange between the ions of reactant side. Exchange between ions of reactant side. Here what forms? AD plus BC plus BC. So exchange AD plus BC. So it's a general form. Now let us take with example double displacement. With example, students, sodium sulfate Na2SO4, sodium sulfate plus barium chloride BaCl2, sodium sulfate, barium chloride BaCl2. Now what happens? See. Here, exchange of ions, that is, it forms NaCl, BaSO4. Same. General forms here. Same. NaCl, BaSO4. AD plus BC. Exchange of ions of reactant side. Okay. Yes. Here it forms Na2Cl2. If we write Na2Cl2, it is wrong. Don't write, because Na2Cl2 is not a compound. It is not a compound. Don't write Na2Cl2. So it is NaCl. NaCl plus BaSO4, barium sulfate, BaSO4, NaCl plus BaSO4. Now students, balancing two sodium atoms, two chlorine atoms, but here single sodium and single chlorine. So you have to make it 2 Na 2 Cl. 2 Na 2 Cl. So it is a balancer BaSO4. So this is sodium sulfate plus barium chloride. It forms sodium chloride plus barium sulfate BaSO4. Okay? Yes. Now, example 2. Let us take a second example. Sodium chloride plus NaCl plus what? Silver nitrate. Let us take second example. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate. So here again exchange of ions. NaNO3 AgCl. NaNO3 AgCl. AgCl. Yes. Sodium nitrate plus silver chloride. NaNO3 plus AgCl. So this is double displacement reaction. That is the exchange of ions takes place here. Okay, students. So these are the types of reactions. 4 types of reactions. So that is combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, and double displacement reaction. So students, in combination reaction, 2 or more reactants combine to form single product. Decomposition reaction, single reactant decomposes into 2 or more products. Displacement reaction, one element of a compound is displaced by other element, so it is called displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction, that is the exchange of ions of reactant side. Exchange of ions of reactant side, it is called double displacement reaction. Students, you studied 4 types of the chemical reactions. We shall study about oxidation, then reduction, then corrosion and rancidity in the next class. And please subscribe this channel and click on bell button. Okay students, thank you one and all.